The Redshift Interactive Calculator solves cosmological redshift problems for astronomical observations. Let's examine the inputs. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate redshift from wavelengths. Calculate observed wavelength from redshift. Calculate velocity from redshift. Calculate proper distance and light travel time. Calculate look-back time from redshift. And calculate redshift from recession velocity. I'm using calculate redshift from wavelengths. The input fields are observed wavelength in nanometers, emitted wavelength in nanometers, redshift z, recession velocity in kilometers per second, Hubble constant h0 in kilometers per second per megaparsec, matter density omega m, and dark energy density omega lambda. For our example, I'll input observed wavelength 656.3 nanometers, emitted wavelength 486.1 nanometers, keeping other fields at their defaults. After clicking Calculate, we get redshift z equals 0.3501, meaning the light has been stretched by 35%. The recession velocity is 16.1859 torn 88 kilometers per second, which equals 0.5399 c, over half the speed of light. The calculator warns that at z greater than 0.1, cosmological effects dominate. Find the link in the description below.